Lesson 8. Eric the Angel. One day, there was a big storm. Lightning struck a mountain and a hard rock rolled onto the train line. Seagull saw what happened. She called his friend Rabbit, Fox, and Mouse. We must move it. The 10, 10:15 London train will be here in 1 hour, said Rabbit. The animals tried to move it. They pushed it, but it would not move. I know, said Fox. Let's get Eric the Angel. He's stronger than all of you. There's no time, said Mouse. I will get him, shouted Seagull. Help! There is a rock on the train line and the London train is coming very soon. Eric took his white star and called his friend. All the angels gathered around. Eric was big and strong, but not very fast. He asked the express trains to go ahead. You go first, then you, said Eric, and he sent his friend ahead. I will follow you. The angel raced along, but the London train was getting closer. The trains arrived to express trains pushed, but the rock wouldn't move. The London train was coming over the hill. Two more engines arrived and they pushed too. The rock moved a little, but the London train was coming round the corner. They can't do it, said Mouse. Then Eric arrived. He took his white star and pushed his on his strength. He pushed the four angels, and the four engines pushed the rock. Slowly the rock moved. Then it rolled faster and faster until it flew over the cliff. The London train arrived. It raced past the engines and the animals who are waiting on the other lines. The train blew its horn. Thank you. The end. Lesson 6. The Rat Race. A long time ago in China lived a great emperor. It was his birthday. He wanted to miss the time to know how old she was. The animals agreed. The emperor decided to have a race to give a name to each year of the Chinese zodiac. The rat and the cat couldn't swim very well. Can you take us across the river? Yes, John quick. They swam across the river. Then the rat pushed the cart into the water and jumped onto land. Well done, rat. The first year will be the year of the rat, and the second will be year of the ox. Look, here's the tiger. He's very tired. The third year will be year of the tiger. The rabbit can't swim, but he's very clever. The fourth year will be the year of the rabbit. And while you like the dragon, you can fly. I had to make some rain for 30 people to drink. Well done. The fifth year is the year of the dragon. What this? I can hear a horse. No, it's a snake. So the snake has the sixth year. Well done. It is good to see you working together. The goat is 8, the monkey is 9, and the rooster is 10. I'm sorry, I'm late. The water is clean and I need a bath. The 11th is the year of the dog. You are the last. Yes, I had to eat and sleep on the way. The last is the year of the pig, and that's how the emperor chose the animals for the Chinese zodiac. The end. Lesson 7. Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood lived in a wood with her mother. One day Little Red Riding Hood went to see her granny. She has a nice cake in her basket. On the way, Little Red Riding Hood met a wolf. "Hello," said the wolf. "Where are you going?" "I'm going to see my grandmother. She lives in a house behind those trees." The wolf ran to Granny's house and ate Granny up. He got into Granny's bed. A little later, Little Red Riding Hood reached the house. She looked at the wolf. "Granny, what big eyes you have!" "Only better to see you with," said the wolf. "Granny, what big ears you have!" "Better to hear you with," said the wolf. "Granny, what a big nose you have!" "The better to smell you with," said the wolf. "Granny, what big teeth you have!" "Better to eat you with," shouted the wolf. A woodcutter was in the wood. He heard a loud scream and ran to the house. The woodcutter hit the wolf over the head. The wolf opened his mouth wide and shouted, and Granny jumped out. The wolf ran away, and the Little Red Riding Hood never saw the wolf again. The end. Thank you for listening.